Hello students, this is the second part of the adverse drug reactions. They are known as the side effects. Nearly avoidable secondary drug effect produced by the therapeutic doses. Unavoidable means they cannot be avoided. You should have faced this type of side effects, but they are the generally mild type of your side effects. So it is directly depending on the intensity is dose dependent. If the prescribed dose is taken, which is prescribed by the doctor, generally the side effects will be very mild and moderate, and they cannot serious to the patient. That is known as the dose dependent. That is side effect. They are general or common side effects, predictable and common side effects. Then occur immediately after initially taking drug or may not appear until weeks after initiation of drug use. Means what? When you initially take the drug, they will produce some side effect. If you discontinue or stop the medicine, they will not appear the side effects. Then or that is first example, sedation with the antihistamines. Means if you are taking the antihistamines like leocetrizine or montelukast or any other type of drugs are there, they will produce the sedation. Means like sleep will be there, will produce the conditions, and at certain point you should get the sleep. That is known as the sedation is produced by the side effect. This is common is there if we are taking the drugs. Then secondary effects are known as secondary pharmacological effect. Means you should get the effect of the efficacy of the drug. After that you should give the other side effects also there. They are it is explained by the examples how they are produced by the example. First, it is development of diarrhea with antibiotic therapy due to altered gastrointestinal bacterial flora. Means you are taken the antibiotics, means killing of the bacteria. They are also killing the bacteria which is present to the your intestine. Means what? This type of bacteria generally known as the commensal type of bacteria. Commensal type of bacteria means which is useful for your intestine, and they are producing the different types of vitamins, like vitamins B12 type of vitamins are produced during the your metabolism into the your intestine. That is using by the probiotic and prebiotic type of activity is produced. Probiotic means they can be used this type of material to producing the different types of vitamins. So these vitamins are beneficial absorbed by the intestine, and they are using for the your blood components. For that is known as the anemia, amount of blood present in the body, and they are generally caused to the named as a anemia or pernicious anemia. Means what? You cannot have the enough RBC into the blood due to the absence of this type of vitamin B complex, and that is known as secondary effect of your is there. Means antibiotic therapy will kill the bacteria as well as bad bacteria which is infectious bacteria into the body. Similarly also the good bacteria or commensal bacteria into the body. That is known as the secondary pharmacological effect. After the orthostatic hypotension with the phenothiazine. Phenothiazine will produce the sedation and also produce the orthostatic hypotension. So then what is the meaning of orthostatic hypotension? It is defined as or explained as, that is also known as the postural hypotension. Postural means depend on posture, sitting, sleeping or standing or walking. So the type of conditions are known as the postural activities. So it is defined as the orthostatic hypotension. When you are sleeping is there into the is there sleeping was there, and then suddenly you should going to stand up. After sleeping you should directly go to the stand up. So after that your body become the very low blood pressure was formed. That will be feel very lay down and feel very dizzy and light-headed. Dizzy means like is there, dizziness or drowsiness will be produce. So this type of condition is known as the orthostatic hypotension with occurred with the phenothiazine. So that effect is known as secondary pharmacological effects, known as the secondary effects. So these are what? These are known as a predictable. Predictable means we already know that this will be happened with you or with the patient. So that is known as a secondary side effects. We already predicted and are the common side effect, not serious side effect. It is only for the some limited period of time. Then after drug interaction are very complicated things are there in the medicine. How they are complicated? When a patient is suffered with the multiple diseases, so doctor also prescribe the multiple type of drugs, so that should be produce the drug interactions. When two drugs taken together and they affect each other's response pharmacologically or kinetically. Pharmacologically means effect of the drug to the body, and kinetically means metabolism into the body. So both these activities are complicated with the multiple drug therapy. Example is that one drug slow the metabolism of second drug. So what will happen? The second drug blood concentration will be increased, and that will produce the toxicity, that is hepatocellular injury can be produced. That we already come under that hepatocellular injury. That is known as a drug interaction with the multiple drugs or two drugs when taken together. Example is theophylline toxicity in presence of erythromycin. Okay, erythromycin, you know, that is antibiotic, and theophylline generally used for your bronchodilator type of activity. So that toxicity will be produced. Why? Because these drugs are not metabolized and they increase the your blood concentration and will produce the toxicity. Then type B reaction. We already given the two types of classification of drug ADR, that adverse drug reaction, ABCD part and AB part. So then this is the A part is completion, A type of reaction, A type of adverse drug reactions. Now we are studying the type B reactions. Type A means predictable, common, side effect. These are already studied in the type A reaction. Type B means unrelated to known pharmacological action of drug. Unrelated to known means they are not related to the your pharmacological actions. They are not related. They are the particular different things with that. That is type B reactions. We don't have the any idea about the other actions of your drug. Second point is unpredictable. Unpredictable means we cannot predict, uncertain. This type of the actions or reactions are produced by the drug, so they can be harmful. Then next point, often caused by the immunological and pharmacogenetic mechanism. Immunological means related to the immunity. Immunity means antigen antibody reaction, IgG, IgE and IgM. This type of molecules are involved or cells are involved, that is known as a immunologicals. Immunological means antigen antibody reaction, IgG, IgE and IgM are involved. And pharmacogenetic mechanism. Genetic mechanism is related to genetics. As we are human being, our DNA structure is most of the 99.98 are similar, but everyone's body will be respond differently with the same drug. That is the pharmacological mechanism. And unrelated to the dosage. Dosage already in type A reaction, dosage is important. If you increase the dosage, they will produce a serious effect. But here dose is not important. If you are taking the very low quantity of the dose of the drug is taken, still they will produce the adverse drug reaction. That is known the type B reaction. That is the difference between the type A and type B. It is totally different. It is totally vice versa of type A and type B reaction, though no similarity was there. Next point, comparatively rare and cause serious illness or death. Comparatively rare means very critical condition, that is known as rare, Rare means very, it is not common. Doctor also will be very uncertain that how it will be formed, how it will be produced. Then cause a serious illness or death. Serious illness means morbidity, and death means mortality. That we already studied, the known as a significant morbidity and mortality. That is the known as adverse drug reaction, equal to significant morbidity and mortality. Then results, outcomes are there, symptoms of the drug. How results are more likely in withdrawal of marketing authorities, means they will be withdraw this type of drugs, often not discovered until the drug is marketed. Means in preclinical or post clinical conditions, the scientist or the company, they are not able to know, means they does not have the any symptoms of adverse reactions, so that is not discovered until the drug is marketed. After marketed, different types of race, means African, Chinese, Korean, Indian, European, this type of peoples are taken the drug, and certain types of races will produce the adverse drug reaction. Then only we can know, otherwise we cannot know. Next point is known as the both environmental and genetic factors important in this reaction, means which reaction? Type B reaction. Environments, that is known as a tropical environment, cold environment, ice environment, which type of environment you have taken the drugs. And genetic factors, genetic factors means healthy peoples, malnutrition peoples, this type of different genetic factor. Chinese and Indian have the some differences in genetics, European people also have the some genetic differences. Okay, so that is known as the environmental and genetic factors are responsible for this reaction, that is known as the type B reaction. Type B reaction is always very dangerous and they are not predictable. Type B reaction classes, different types of classes are given to the type B reaction. It is somewhat complicated was there, that is type B reactions. Now it is easier part for the type B reaction. First, that is drug intolerance. Drug intolerance means when you have taken the drug, you are not able to tolerate the drug, and you are not compatible or you cannot accept the drug. That is type of known as the drug intolerance. That is known as lower threshold. Lower threshold means optimum dose is required for the pharmacological activity, that is known as the threshold. But here that is known as the lower threshold, means required quantity of that less quantity of the required will be less, that is known as the lower threshold. Threshold means required, and more threshold means more than required. Three types are there: lower threshold, threshold, and higher quantity. So threshold is the important part. Lower threshold to normal pharmacological action of a drug, means lower threshold to normal quantity. Example is in drug tolerance, that is tinnitus into the single average dose of aspirin. Aspirin, you know the actions of aspirin. It will produce the blood thinness, and as well as the your anti-inflammatory activity also produced by the aspirins. If you are taken the aspirin, certain cases, certain peoples, actually aspirin is a life-saving category of drug, very important drug. Aspirin is in certain peoples, they will produce the action of tinnitus, means ringing into the or noise are produced into the your ear, that is known as the tinnitus. Now the second part of the third part of the adverse reaction will be taken,